Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can remove a member from your group chat on Instagram. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to remove a member from your group chat on Instagram, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, next, I want you to tap this chats icon at the top right in order to open your Instagram chats section. And once you're on your Instagram chats section, you will now be able to see your chats list where you can see all the people and groups you've chatted on Instagram. So just find the group chat for which you want to remove a member. So let's say that this is the group chat for which you want to remove a member, for example. So to do that, just go and tap it. And after that, you will now be able to see the members option right here. Just go and tap it. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see all the members of your group chat. So just find the one you want to remove. So let's say that this is the member you want to remove, for example. So to do that, just tap the three dots beside their profile. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see the remove user option right here. So just tap it to remove the member. And after that, it's done. Congratulations. The member will now be removed from your group chat on Instagram. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.